Microsoft Edge brings Copilot Pro with GPT-4 Turbo to iOS and Android. After rolling out GPT to some users, Microsoft has quietly enabled Copilot Pro in Edge for iOS. If you are on Android, don't worry, you are not left out. You can test this feature by switching on an experimental settings, but remember it's only available to a few people for now and require a pro subscription. Copilot Pro is a $20 premium subscription based version of Microsoft AI powered by ChatGPT and the company in-house large language models. Copilot Pro doesn't offer many exclusive features, but there are a Copilot of advantages such as access to GPT-4 Turbo during peak times and DALL-E3 with 100 boost per day with a designer. If you have purchased the Copilot Pro subscription from Microsoft website, some of you can now access the premium version of the AI on iOS via Edge. The Copilot Pro integration is live in the stable version of Microsoft Edge, but unfortunately the iOS version is missing out to some premium features. For example, you won't be able to access the Suno plugin in Copilot for iOS. For those unaware, the Suno plugin allows you to use words to create original music, but it currently works on the web version only. Microsoft is still optimizing the Copilot experience for mobile, and more feature will be gradually added. I'm told the AI music generation feature will be adding to Copilot for mobile device in the coming days. According to sources familiar with the development, you can accept a deeper integration between phone link the Copilot soon. You can also try Copilot Pro and Android. If you can't wait to try the feature on Android, Microsoft Edge for Android now includes a new experimental flag Copilot Pro that gives you early access. To try the feature, head to Edge double flags, search Copilot Pro, enable the toggle and relaunch the browser. However, remember that Copilot Pro works only when the purchase subscription for $20. Slowly but surely, Microsoft Copilot is receiving the update will deliver the AI productivity promise it to set to launch with. We have already spotted GPT in Copilot, some one of the premium feature of ChatGPT. Similar, Microsoft is also testing read allow powerful code interpreter and even a feature to edit your prompts without starting the conversation again.